Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are visiting Haarlem in the Netherlands. As always, you can find all the timestamps of the different locations in the description. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. This is it for my visit in Haarlem. I hope you liked the video, and of course if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel as more videos are coming. Also comment on which city I should visit next. Thank you and I'll see you next time. Bye!